Hey guys, Aisha here. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I am going to be showing you how I created these resin seashell pendants. The supplies that I use today are Pro Marine Supply resin, 2 plastic cups, 2 stir sticks, seashells I found at Michael's, artisan pigments in the shades Caribbean and Steel, and some silicone cupcake cups that I found at Michael's. I have already pre-mixed my resin off camera, and I am about to stir them into my cupcake cups with my 2 colors already separated. Now I've placed my pendants with the shells already in them on this box that I had found around my house. Those pendants actually have lips on the back of them, so if I was to lay it flat, like push the pendant up to like the middle of the box, it wouldn't have been level. So I had to pull them to the edge to keep the pendants level, so when I pour my resin into them, it's not going to spill over or be unlevel for the end result. Now I mixed up the 2 colors and with the resin into these little cups, and I want to make sure that I incorporate the mica pigments in as good as I possibly can. I don't want to leave any powder left behind. These pigments are so pretty. If you haven't tried them, I suggest that you do. It is so worth it. So now I'm going to start pouring small amounts of resin into my pendants. Now I'm trying to be as careful as possible because these pendants are very thin and I don't like to make a mess when it comes to these small little projects. So I'm just scooping it in with my little stir stick, being as careful as I possibly can. Make sure I get all around to the edges, and I wanted to do both colors inside of each pendant. It didn't quite work out that way. Like, I got more blue than I did the steel, but that's okay. They still came out very, very pretty. Now I'm going to sit back for a while and I'm going to let you guys watch how I work. I will come back towards the end of the video to show you the end result. I'm just coming in with this little toothpick to try to incorporate both colors together just to make it look seamless to where there's no harsh lines in it. I think this method works very, very well, especially when you're trying to incorporate two different colors together to make it look cohesive. And here is the final result. Please let me know what you think in the comments below. As always, please comment, like, and subscribe. And thanks for watching.